This Equitas Realty property video is presented by Amanda Moore. Open house 1:17 to 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. Custom ranch home west/an in-law suite nestled on 2.86 acres. Peaceful and quiet living, west/the convenience of being close to all that Saratoga has to offer. Only 2 minutes to Saratoga Lake and less than 9 minutes to the Saratoga Race Track and downtown. It is a functioning smart home west/lights, locks, motion detectors and a nest system. The home boasts hickory cabinetry in the kitchen, coffered ceilings in the master bedroom and a soaking tub in the master bathroom. The master walk-in closet flows through to the laundry room west/newer 3-year-old West ND. A 14 kilowatts whole home generator will automatically provide power in event of outages. The in-law suite has its own private entrance, kitchen, bedroom, full bath and laundry area. Perfect for visits from family, friends, yearly or track rental. For more information, review the details below.